Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, guess what? It's back to school time and the Dollar Tree has their supplies in. So let's see what they've got going on. Please leave any questions, comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let's see what they got going on here. Well, they got some storage bins down there on the bottom. Some pencil cases. Look like some little trays there in the purple and the pink. And there are these pencil cases that snap. Nice. I like those. Okay. And tape and desk organizers by Jot, which is the Dollar Tree brand. Pencil bags, index cards, the colorful ones. Orange and green and blue. Blue's my favorite color. Index cards, variety of colors, and then white ones. So now they got the little small staplers over here, small calculators, pencil sharpeners, glue sticks, whiteout, erasers, single hole punches, book clips, paper flags, binder clips, paper clips. They have some binders up here. I didn't see any hard binders. That's what I was missing. They're all kind of soft binders. Didn't see any hard ones. Hey, and this is a look at the whole wall of back to school supplies. This is how it is in my store. Okay, let's get a little closer look here. See what they've got. We've got the Jot glue down there next to the Elmer's glue. Jot is the Dollar Tree brand. They got the dry erase boards and the cork board down there, that brown one on the bottom. Colored crayons, highlighters, multicolor highlighters, and all yellow highlighters. And they got planners down there in the end. And a variety of pens. I see Bic is in there. Pencil, number 2 pencils, 12-pack. Mechanical pencils. Ballpoint pens. Correction tape. Those pen mark pens are good right there. Gel pens. Retractable pens. This little small planner right here was much nicer, so I just took a look at this one. Seems to be a lot sturdier. The other one was really thin. They've got all the school supplies on that wall and all the paper for school over in the stationery area. So That's why I say if you go in to check the stationery area, because I don't even think they've got all the supplies out, because I didn't see any hard binders. That was kind of odd. Hey, it's Yo-Yo here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed your back to school supply preview. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.